I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're trying to check the coverage map on your Freedom 2026 device, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Access Settings. Navigate to the main menu on your Freedom 2026 and select the Settings option. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Step 2. Select Network Options. Within the Settings menu, look for Network Options or Connections. This is where you'll find settings related to your network. Step 3. Open Coverage Map. Before activation, use the eSIM link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility check and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 4. Choose your region. Once the coverage map is open, you may need to select your specific region or area to get an accurate representation of the coverage. Step 5. Review coverage details. After selecting a region, review the coverage details displayed on the map. Look for any highlighted areas that indicate strong or weak signals. Sometimes, the coverage might not be as expected in certain areas, so it's good to double check if you're in a low signal zone. I hope this helps you easily check the coverage map on your Freedom 2026. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.